I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Motorola model and Android version so you know where menus live. This speeds things up. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps and Notifications, then see All Apps. Next, find the app that is recording sound, for example voice recorder or camera. You will tap it to open App Info. This is where you manage permissions and stop recording. Make sure to proceed now to the permission controls to block microphone access. Now focus on the how. In App Info, tap Permissions and choose Microphone, then set it to Deny. That stops that app from receiving audio. Once done, go back to Settings Privacy Permission Manager and check Microphone to revoke access from any other apps that might record. If an app still runs, use Force Stop or Disable from App Info. This prevents background capture. Make sure to confirm the change by watching the microphone indicator when you test. Finish by rebooting the phone so permission changes and stopped processes take effect. This clears lingering services. After the restart, open the previously recording app and try to record. Observe the microphone indicator and verify there is no audio. If audio still appears, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, check device admin or enterprise profiles that might override permissions, and only consider a factory reset as a last resort. If you need one tip, safe mode quickly isolates issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.